Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. How's it going? Good morning or good evening or good night, you can choose. Hello everyone. Miss K, hello, and Terry is here in the flesh, in person. Oh my gosh, hello Terry, welcome. Investor Z, good morning. Oh, thank you so much for the kind words. Thank you for being here. No luck, pure skill. I know I'm your favorite. I know about that. Trader 007, hello. Welcome, El Burrito in the flesh. Hello there, Terry again. And Dominic is here. Welcome. How is everything? How was the I call it in-between session, like in between London and New York. Whatever happened there? I'm assuming it was quite interesting, right? Oh my gosh. Anyway. Oh yeah, Terry, she couldn't sleep. I can imagine she wakes up and starts to curl her hair. Like, oh my gosh, what should I do? Oh, I know. I'm gonna curl my hair. No, I'm just joking around. I'm watching this market. I mean, I was watching it on my phone. It seems like we're gonna push higher than 200. It seemed like it. Exactly. Whatever happens between London and New York, it stays there. Frequency. Hello. So, just saying that we just created a bullish order block here. Kind of looks like it's ready to push it higher on the 3-minute. It does look really good. I'm actually tempted to maybe. Oh, by the way, I think I just missed the trade. There was a possible trade entry here, though. Oh my gosh, I think I missed it. I think I missed the trade. Did I? I think I did. I can still make it right, by the way. Okay. I can make it right. Do you guys also have a delay in trade await for 10 minutes? No. Maybe it's because you did not sign the data agreement, maybe? Could be about that. I'm not sure. I'm just, kind of guessing here. But that could be a possibility there. Oh my gosh. I jumped into a very small long position here. This is the probe trade, guys. This is the probe trade. 2 micros. Kind of looking for 181.75 there. Actually, 181.50 will do. So this is the probe trade setup. And if it goes lower, I might add to it. Who knows? The probe trade. We are sending in a probe. HT photo in the flesh. Hello there. I got my coffee right here. But now, today, I decided I'm gonna make iced coffee. So this is iced coffee, by the way. It's cold. All right, I'm gonna tell you a secret. I just forgot to heat it up, so it's iced coffee, technically. Right? Right? Of course. Okay. But sometimes I do like a cold coffee. Yeah, I would like to see it break 200, by the way. We do have a buy side at 241. I think there's an imbalance on the weekly that needs to be rebalanced. And let me show you guys something on the daily chart here real quick. So here's is this the daily? Yeah, no, weekly. So let's go to the weekly chart. It's very rare that I do anything according to the weekly. I know I should, but let's measure the mid-level of the weekly candle. of that bearish candle, right? It's not going to be surgically accurate, but like 333 is the mid level of that wick, okay? Important level, 333. Also, we have this imbalance right now, which needs to be rebalanced up until 207. So we could be pushing that. I can actually imagine that we might be pushing that anyway. 333, well, let's put it there on the micro as well. 332, whatever. It's not super accurate, but that's what we're gonna go with. If it goes lower, and I think it does right now, then it's completely okay. 3425. I'm gonna add to the position just a little bit more because we only live once, you know, and we don't care. No, we do care. Of course we care. I'm gonna add 2 more micros down at 3425, and that would be it if it drops. Okay, 1825. All right, so we'll see. We'll see if it picks up those 2 micros. That's fine. If not, it's cool too. Do we have a problem with trader weight connections? I don't see any issue. I mean, currently I'm using NinjaTrader. No, I hope this is okay. It really looks like you lost weight. Oh, awesome. I need to lose weight. Thank you. Yeah, I just been told, a friend of mine, I was meeting with a friend earlier, and he told me like, hey, Tom, your face, I can see it in your face. I was like, okay, finally. All the fasting, by the way, Trading Star, I just found my optimal fasting cycles. So I do the intermittent fasting. So I decided to end up in the 18/6 hour fasting. And by the way, there's this guy, I think you know who this is, Dr. Pradeep Yamnades. I think you know who this guy is. I think he's from India as well. He's talking a lot about fasting. He's the one. So I'm watching a lot of videos from him about fasting. Anyway, fat to fit. Yeah. He's good. Yeah, so he's talking, actually in this video he explains that the 18/6, the 18/6 fasting is he thinks it's the best for intermittent fasting, whatever. Anyway, I really got into it because I'm feeling better, by the way. I'm feeling better. Thank you, Shrish. Thank you. Hello. And by the way, let's smash those likes while we are trying to grind higher on this chart here. As they have an issue, if you go login screen, you have the banner. Oh, so there's a login issue. Okay. All right. Yes, exactly. He said we are junkies. Yeah, because we need to eat all the time. He also said this to those who are always eating sugar and sweets, like, you are junkies. But he was talking about the same reactions in the brain and the receptors and, you know, the nervous system and whatever, that the same things are kind of happening in the brain when you are eating, like, for example, sugar or sweets, like what happens at those who are addicted to drugs. It's kind of interesting. On Trader said they're on looking. Oh, they're looking at the issue. Okay, so on NinjaTrader, you can still connect. Lost over 100 pounds. Oh my gosh! Thank you, AVR Dream. Thank you for confirming. Yeah. Actually, I'm doing 18-hour, 19-hour days. Just saying. 18/19-hour days. Ah, you watch these videos. Cool. Can you explain your stop? Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about the trade a little bit here. So first of all, I missed my entry. Yeah, Terry, if you're interested, I can send over some videos from this guy. He is like really good. He talks about a lot of good things about fasting and how it works actually. So it's really good. I love it. Oh, thank you so much, Rio. Thank you. What weight? I mean, last time, so the last week I did not lose weight. I didn't lose weight. I went down, so I started at 117 kilograms and I went down to 102.5 kilograms. So this is where I am right now. But last week I didn't lose weight. I was a little bit disappointed, but I'm going to the gym a lot and I don't know what happened, but for a week I didn't lose. So hopefully by the end of this week, I'm going to be a little bit lower than this. Maybe the pizza. Yeah. Sweet drugs in one thing, but man, the TV is really habit forming. It is, by the way. It's in the pizza. So yeah, talk about the trade. I'm sorry. I missed my... yeah, cardio, I do that. You went to 55 kilograms. Dude, I'm lifting 55 kilogram weights in the gym. What the hell? Actually more. So the thing is, the trade. Let's focus on the trade. So I missed my entry. I'm going to tell you what was I looking at. So on the higher time frame, I'm kind of anticipating that we should be breaking through the 200 area up there. And should be rebalancing the weekly imbalance and then, you know, going even higher to the 300s. That's one hypothesis. How do they say it? Hypothesis. How do they say it?
Hipotézis.
No, I need it in English.
Hypothesis.
Hypothesis. Okay. Hypothesis. All right. So the hypothesis, blah, 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 is that we're going to go higher than 200. So using that information, we just created an order block here with these two bearish candles, absolutely textbook order block. So right here, hey, Camila, see you, hello. These two candles on the 3-minute is absolutely 10 out of 10. Absolutely beautiful. Textbook order block. It couldn't get any better than this. So when the price actually, which candle was it? The candle was at 7 a.m. So the 7 a.m. candle, just a second, no, not the 7 a.m. The 7:03 candle was the entry. I should have entered on the 7:03 candle here. This would have been my entry, but I missed my entry. So my original entry should have been at least at 135, but I entered at 142 up there. So I missed it. And this is why I put a limit order at 34.25. And the goal is very simple. I'm just going for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. The goal is to make a new high, right? Something like that. So that's it. And yeah, the stop loss, 118. Well, it's simple. We have a swing low at 110, but because I missed my entry, and if it goes without this, the second batch of these micro orders, then I'm just going to exit around here, actually. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm going to keep it here in the meantime. Good morning, Dagon Poker. Hello, Pip Drunk. What's up? We are going to 500. Pip Drunk is saying, all right, I'm okay. Oh, by the way, we have news. Yeah, totally forgot, guys. We have news. And the news are going to be, oh my gosh, totally forgot. Oh, then, okay. News are going to be in 1 hour and a little bit more. 1 hour and 14 minutes. So hopefully, so here's the news. What's it gonna be? ADP, whatever. Okay. And core retail, no. Oh, we have ADP news. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's a 1 hour. Oh. And it's a rare. I don't like that. That's high impact news, right? Okay. That's high impact news. So maybe I did a very bad thing. So we have core retail sales. Okay. It's fine. That's a good exercise for the tongue, yeah. Trump, I don't know if he's going to speak earlier. I think I might not wanting to add to this position, knowing that we might not going to have enough time for this trade to develop, because we might just going to go sideways here. Too bad. Anyway. Could reverse. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. It could see a reversal. Okay, I might going to take off the 2 extra orders. Yeah, I was kind of hoping that we can push higher, you know. Why not? Why not? Is there a giveaway? Alfred, well, not currently, but about giveaways. Alfred, good news is there's going to be a giveaway from MyFundedFutures. I just need to know which type of accounts. I think it's going to be Flex. There's going to be a giveaway. So as you guys see, I partnered up with FundedNext as well. I was partnering up with them a couple of months ago, but we upgraded some things and they were super kind with the affiliate support, and they told me I can give away 4 accounts at FundedNext Futures. So I'm not sure when I'm going to be receiving those accounts, but I've been told that I can give away 4 rapid accounts at FundedNext. So I'm super happy about it, and I'm kind of waiting for information from Funded Futures Network, and hopefully we will have accounts from there as well. We might gonna do it as a giveaway bonanza, but for FundedNext Futures, I will make a video as well. Yeah, so the rapid accounts at FundedNext are gonna be, so I'm gonna be giving away 4 rapid accounts at FundedNext Futures. And of course, if you would like to trade with FundedNext Futures from now on, the code is working. It's the same as another preference. We're going to be talking more about FundedNext Futures because, you know, they have many, many things for traders. I can't pronounce that name, but thank you so much for joining us, because I just can't read that properly. What can I buy now before the market opens? What can you buy now? I mean, I don't really want to give you a trade signal, but you know, I'm just kind of hoping that NQ will keep pushing higher. That's what I'm hoping. Alfred, I'll try to do something. I know I promised Wednesday, that hopefully on Wednesday, which is today, but we'll try to do something tomorrow. All right. I will try. If not, I'm waiting for the accounts from FundedNext Futures. I know I got a text message from the affiliate contact that they are going to issue those accounts, but I need, anyway, I'll try to do something tomorrow. Right. Buy eggs and bread now. Yeah, we might, you know, do better if we wait. So I had this entry here. That's why I took this trade. It's a small position, not a big deal, but yeah, why not push it higher just a little bit? I'm trying to learn more about props before picking one. Do eval accounts actually pay out, or are they basically just demo? All of the accounts are demo accounts, Robo. So even the funded accounts are so-called simulated funded accounts. So every account, like almost every except the live accounts, but these are demo accounts, not real money. So these are not real money, but the evaluation account, they don't pay. The evaluation accounts are only to evaluate you to get the funded account, which are paying you rewards. Some prop firms call it rewards, payouts, commission, whatever. But that's it. Anybody have any problem with TRADEIFY? There seemed to be an issue, but they are on it, Linda, on the website with the login screen. Somebody was talking about it earlier. I can log in through NinjaTrader, so I have no problem yet. But they told they are fixing the issue as we speak. There's 9 points to go up. Yeah, ES could go higher. Okay, so I might just pay the extra for the live account and skip the... I mean, you can pay... So, Robo, what you can do, if you don't want to do the evaluation accounts, you can pay for the so-called instant funded accounts. Not every prop firm is doing it, by the way. TRADEIFY is doing it. It's called Lightning Funded. That's the instant funded account. You can check it out on the website. It's called the Lightning Funded, and Lucid Trading calls it Direct Funded, right? I'm not even sure, is FundedNext having an instant funded account? I don't think. But yeah, Lucid and TRADEIFY does have instant funding. So you can buy yourself into an instant funded account. Yeah, there might be an issue there. I'm logged in with MyFundedFutures on TRADEIFY. Ah, yeah, I don't have any problems at any of these accounts that I have right now open. So currently today, I'm almost up on every account. I'm down on one funded account here, but yeah, the Granddaddy account, the 150K. This is the instant funded account from TRADEIFY, by the way. This is a TRADEIFY instant funded account, this 150K account. So right now, I'm only trading on these two with this one. So I'm okay. I should have brought this one back. I'm down 220 on it. But anyway, but so far, this is my day. So in the green. But these are all TRADEIFY connections, by the way. All of them. Yeah, Lucid is good, Robo. Lucid is good as well for instant fundeds. And if you guys would like to support the stream or the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there if you would like to purchase even instant funded accounts or evals. It's up to you. But again, I'm excited to dive in more with FundedNext futures. I'm going to be looking more into the details, how payouts go. I do know that, like, on a big scale, there's no super like hidden fine print that you need to be aware of. It's like the normal trading rules and conditions, nothing special. But I will try to dive more deeper into the details of the different type of accounts they have. So we'll see. All right. All right. Should have been an easy trade from 05 trader. Oh, yeah, Joey. I mean, I missed my entries multiple times here, but this was a really nice indication on the 3-minute. I'm just kind of hoping that we can go higher. 180, 150. So I'm just looking for it to break that 181 50 up there. There you go. That would be great. So we'll see. This is the 15-second chart, by the way, that you see there. And not because I'm currently trading on the 15-second chart. Sometimes it does help. I did realize that it can show some interesting levels, but for now, I'm just looking for this to go a little bit higher. I'm not sure if this order is gonna get taken, but hopefully it will not take the elevator down. How we are doing with the likes, everybody? We are having we are having 253 viewers and 26 likes. Guys, we can do better. I mean, awesome. Thank you so much. Let me just give you guys a huge applause. Amazing results. I'm so happy for everybody who's watching the stream. Anston, hello. Farhad, welcome back. Hey Farhad, how's it going? So can we get to maybe 100 likes? I know we can get to 100 likes, right? We are at 39 already. Smash it, everyone. Smash it. That's amazing. 40 likes already. Super amazing. Awesome. I got finally my funded account. Oh, that is amazing. Anston, congratulations. Such a great morning voice. Oh, thank you. We are doing the morning show. It calms me down for the chat. Oh, that's awesome. You know, AVR Dream, I am here to calm you guys down. So if anytime you feel like you want to hang around somewhere, and if you're a little bit bored about everything, not just on YouTube, but in life, like this is your safe place, everybody. This is the place to be. Make sure to always be here. Hang around, add the stream, listen to my voice. Let's talk about the market. Let's talk about everything that's interesting. Let's talk about life. Let's talk about winning. Let's talk about losing. And let's talk about the future. What the hell am I talking about right now? Trade away it. The 40 was your like. Thank you. From your recommended Lucid. Yeah, Lucid. Oh, you made it at Lucid, Ernston. Congratulations for your funded account at Lucid Trading. It's looking shaky. Terry says, in Tom we trust. But I wish this market would just slowly go higher. I mean, today was a fairly good day so far, so I'm happy, but like, come on, NQ. Like, you know, we could do better. You could do better. Yes, made Asia session high. Yeah. Douglas, IB and Douglas, hello there, new here. What are you trading today? Gold? This is NASDAQ, micro NASDAQ, but I will look into gold as well. I mean, gold is kind of pushing higher. The problem is I have no target. Look to the left on the 15 or the 5-minute. We have nothing. Yeah, we do have some levels here, but okay, there's a 15-minute fair value gap. We're gonna put it here on gold, but I'm not trading gold currently. So I'm kind of stuck on NQ until the time being. So that's a 15-minute fair value gap. Thank you so much, by the way, for being here. So that's a 15-minute fair value gap on gold. It seems like that's where we're heading. But yeah. And of course, we have the news a little bit later. So we'll see. Apex losing for account price versus losing. You know, about Apex, we can talk about price differentials in between Lucid, Apex, or Apex, whatever, and other prop firms. The thing is, I think, I know the activation fee got higher. I know the account prices got higher at Apex. And I know what I'm going to say, it might not going to be popular amongst many of you maybe, but I think Apex got definitely better. The prices, I think, are fairly good. That's what I think. Even the current higher prices, quote unquote higher. So now there's no more $20 accounts. We are up to $24.90 on the intraday trailing accounts, I think. So I know there's an increase in price. I'm aware of it. But I think the Apex accounts right now, especially the end of day trading accounts, are fairly priced in, right? So there's like every prop firm is raising prices. Every prop firm. And let's just face it, like on average, prices are somewhere hovering around, including activation fee, which can be built in or added to the account. I would say somewhere around $100 to $130, $40 on average, $100, $130. Not to mention how many like chances you got, like how should I put this? How many evaluation accounts can you pass out of 10, for example? Now with Apex, you have a small advantage because of the cheap upfront cost. But yeah. You are absolutely welcome, Douglas. Thank you to 169 at least. I'd like to see it go even higher though. I want to see it smash through 200. Popularity raises prices just like the stock market, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So again, I think Apex did the right thing finally. So when I saw the new videos and the new account structure from Apex, the first thought was like, finally we got to this stage. Should have done this 2 years ago, but at least they did it. And that's good. TopStep is good too. Yeah, TopStep is absolutely good too. Nothing wrong with TopStep. And as I said, I'm very excited to trade more with FundedNext futures as well. I'm excited to jump into the account details just to see what goes where and how goes what. They do have trade await as well. So I'm excited, really. The platform, I mean, the dashboard looks absolutely professional. Everything looks great and amazing. And we all know it that FundedNext is in the business ever since almost FTMO is doing the business, right? So they stepped into the future space too. And, you know, kind of cool. People don't pay attention to the buffer is required before being able to get payout. It makes the journey to payout much longer. Yes, it definitely is. It definitely is. I know. No, FTMO futures is not live. I was talking about FundedNext, but FTMO, I mean, there's at least yet, we don't know anything if FTMO has started their futures department yet. But FundedNext, as we all know, it is pretty much there. So, oh wow, okay, and we still have time until news. This was a nice push here. What about interview in FundedNext? Which interview? Was there an interview recently? I haven't checked it. I know that they used to do interviews, but I will do a review video, by the way, just saying. Just like I'm going to do a review video about Alpha Futures and FundedNext too. Yeah, you called it, ID. You called it. Absolutely. You did call it. Okay. So far, still hovering here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I took off that limit order because I don't really want to see it go lower than that. So let's just hope for the best at this point, right? Yeah, unfortunately, because there could be a divergence. We could see a possible reversal, which I don't really want to see. Yes, I think I'm gonna hold it. If it's not gonna take the elevator, I'm gonna hold on to this trade, and you know, it's fine. Dave Mack fell asleep last night with a short. The top of Asia. Woke up to 100-point winner. Wow, with 1 micro. That's amazing. Congratulations, Dave. All right, let's see. Are we gonna go through the high or not? Let me see how many likes we have. 48 likes. We have 48 likes. Come on, everybody. Let's go. All right. This was a good one. This was a good one. This was a really good one. And if you're asking what was the key point into this, again, these 2 candles on the 3-minute chart, these were, I told you this was a 10 out of 10 entry. And this was an order block, or you can call it demand zone, whatever. This was an instant demand zone, and this made it possible. These bearish candles. That was it. That was it. $57 likes already. Oh my gosh, we're getting closer to 300 viewers. Oh my god. We had 285 at one point. Wow. Yeah, this was a real good trade. I wish I would have gone in with 4 micros, right? So far, the day looks okay. I should work on this account a little bit. But so far in the green. Let's go. And I'm trading with micros, just micros. So yeah. One account is down, by the way. I mean, I need to work on it. So this is a funded account. I mean, all other ones are funded too, but not everyone, but not everything. But I need to make 220 bucks to get it back to break even. But yeah, maybe I will work on this. That's just for today, yes. Dwayne McLean, hello. McLean, sorry. I butchered the name there, I apologize. Dwayne McLean, thank you so much for joining and subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Yeah, that's for today. All right, so we should be going through 200. We should be going to 200. All right. So there's a lot to be grabbed above, and we are very thin under 140. Under 140? Do you think we can go down to 140? Let's check for some levels. I mean, let me just check something on the 15-second chart. Again, usually I'm not trading this. This is not something I do. But hold on. Low is 146.25. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that's a valid level down there. That's a valid level. Open is 150.50. All right, so can we go lower? Is the question. Gotta be careful with the shorts here. Gotta be very careful with the shorts. But this here, by the way, on the 15-second chart, this is a demand zone right there at 151. A little bit tempted to take a trade on it, to be honest. But I'm not gonna. I don't think I should. Yeah, it's just gonna move higher. Okay, there's another zone here. Just got rejected on the seconds chart. Right there. We just got rejected on a 15-second supply zone right there. So the question is, are we gonna go back down there? Is it gonna happen? Or is it gonna keep pushing higher? If it closes higher than 187, which I think it will, then most likely we are going to hit the 200. But if we invert 175 and actually lower 170, we might be looking into a potential sell. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No, I'm not gonna. Don't worry. Yeah. We can do it with 1 micro, right? I'm curious about that 151. I'm really curious. There's no sign. I mean, it has to rebalance 172, which means we need down close candles. And even then, we need some sort of an order block to be formed to push it lower. But now it seems like it's going to break higher. I'm staying green. Don't worry, guys. I'm staying green. It's just interesting to read. I'm not going to take a trade, all right? So I promise you guys, I'm not going to take a trade. If I would take a trade, I'm going to let you guys know if I would take a trade somewhere. But I'm not going to take it. Okay, still nothing. For now, it seems like it wants to break higher. Oh, TradeAway is not working. I mean, you can connect through. Oh my gosh, we have 307 viewers and 66 likes. 300 viewers. I think we just broke a record today, guys. I don't remember if we had 300 live viewers in any day. 67 likes. Can we get to 100 likes? Can we get it? Oh my gosh. 300 viewers. Thank you, everybody. Can we get, I mean, let's get to 100 likes. My gosh. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for subscribing. It's really amazing. I never had 300 viewers in the early New York session before. This is the first time. We're making history. Any solution for this issue? So, Motri, if you download NinjaTrader, I am able to connect to all my TradeAway accounts I mean, through NinjaTrader right now. So I'm not using TradeAway, not because I think it's bad. I think it's great, but on NinjaTrader, everything looks okay for now. It's delayed. Wow. Yeah, we are rejecting London High. Could be the macro. When is it starting, by the way? I mean, the macro. We are at 86 likes. Let's go. 86 likes. 14 likes to go. Cruz, hello. Even though I got email that it's working, but it's still not. I'm guessing they're trying to fix it. Yeah, we are at 88 likes. 12 more likes to go, everybody. 12 more. I know we can do it. 12 more likes. We're so close. We need to feed the algorithm. $11 more. Okay, it almost looks amazingly good for a short. It's 10 minutes before 10. Yeah. Some people have a different opinion about the macro. I'm not such a huge believer, by the way, in the macro. I do know that there is something there, and I believe that there are some algos that are turning on somewhere around these times, but wow, look at this. Okay. Yeah, here's the push. Here is the push. TradeAway and NinjaTrader both are having the same issue with market data for subscription renewal. Just a second, guys. I'll be back. I'll be right back. I have to check something. Smash the likes. I'll be right back. All right, all right, all right. I'm here. I'm here. Don't worry. Everything's fine. Seems like we're moving into the 200s. Both are having some issue with market data for solicitation. No orders have been taken. Wow. Need to copy trade across. I'm using Replicanto currently, which is built in. I mean, it's an add-on. It's not built in, but it's an add-on that you can purchase for NinjaTrader. Tradeaway groups is also, yeah, it's something that you can go with. Wick Rocchio, aka the Beach Trader. Subscribe to the channel. Welcome. Thanks for joining. This is the final inducement, and will drop very rapidly soon. Okay, let's see. So there you go. 200 has been taken. Wow. What a move. Okay, 200 has been taken here. Nicely done. Nicely done. But where to go now, right? Yeah, absolutely a grind today. How much we pushed ever since the... I mean, this was London. London was tricky, it seems like it. But since the lows, we just pushed up 200 points. It's all right. No shorts. Yeah. It's still going to remain bullish, by the way. Now I'm not sure that we can go down to 151. But we'll keep an eye on it. Dump it. It seems like it's just gonna push it. It's not ready to dump yet. It's just pushing it higher and higher. Okay. We are at 88 likes. Let's go. 12 more. 12 more likes to go. Can we do it? Just 12 more. Let's go. 11 more. 11 more likes to go, everybody. I know it's possible. I know we can do it. Ten more. 10 more to go. Can we get 7 more? Oh my gosh, 7 more likes. 240 and dump on Europe. Let's see. Lots of... so it might want to sweep those levels. 6 more likes to go, everyone. 6 more. Okay, I would really be interested in a trade, but 2 more likes. Oh my gosh, 2 more likes, everyone. Just 2 more likes. Just 2 more. Almost at 100. Almost at 104. Let's go. Don't stop pushing it. 107. Thank you everybody so much for the support. We just made it through. That's amazing. I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing. What's the lyrics? You are my fire, the one desire. Believe when I say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna sing it, yeah. Ain't nothing but a hard way. Tell me why. Larger than life. Larger than life. I may run and hide when you're screaming my name. All right. Yeah. Yeah. But let me tell you now, there are prices to fame. All right. All of the time spent, it flashes of light. Oh yeah. So what's it gonna be? Are we going lower? I think 10 people disliked, I'm sure. Actually, it's real, by the way. Oh, not yet, but we are losing viewers. We are losing live viewers. So, oh yeah, we dropped like 50 viewers. Well, it's fine. Yeah, we were at 300. We dropped down to 250. So, you know, I can imagine like, oh, this guy is an idiot. So let's just go elsewhere. All right. I can handle it. Going over to hash. All right. It's still kind of bullish. It was good entertainment, right? But hey, at least, you know, we can filter out who doesn't like Backstreet Boys, or, you know. Yeah, there is a data issue. I think not much can be placed right now. Oh my gosh, the whole house could hear. Oh my gosh, okay. $138. Huh. I mean, I'm not sure if I want to take a trade on this, but I still like the 151 actually down there. Now we swept the high. Okay, we swept the high. Cool. Amazing. I'm actually almost ready to take a short. But like, maybe not right now. Okay, not now. I think it's time to drop like Tom Petty. Yeah. Sing one more. I'm not sure if it will do any good for the channel if I start to sing more. You see, I stopped singing. We kind of gaining viewers back. Thank you. Thank you for joining us, by the way. I'm kind of liking this drop though. All right, jumping in with a micro, I think. Yeah. And I'm putting another sell limit order there. And I'm kind of hoping that we can drop down to 153. $154 maybe. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, almost getting filled. Okay, 2 micros, and that is it. 154 is what we're looking for. So let's see if it will happen or not. If not, that's fine too. We had great profit today so far, so I'm just risking a little bit there. How many accounts? It depends. Sometimes 2 or 3, sometimes none. It kind of varies between, it depends on how the market is look like, how the setups look like. On average, about 2 or 3 accounts. You know? Let one micro run after TP. Well, if we get to TP, you know, but yeah. So this is a very small trade. I'm just actually curious if we're gonna tag that level down there. But yeah, my stop is at 94. I don't like it. Yeah, it's gonna take it. Yeah, I'm out. All right, it's fine. I am still in profit on this. Let's see. Yeah, this is the account. I'm still in $93 of profit on this account, so I'm all right. I tried, and that is it. No more stupid decisions for the next 30 seconds. Then maybe. Yeah, it is choppy. And now I mean, until during the news, I don't think much is going to happen. But yeah, look at that. So swept that high. I'm telling you, if we close again below 175, there's a really good chance that we're going to go down to 151 down there. Yeah, if I would have done one more song, I could have avoided that. I know. I could have done that. Yeah, it can just sit on here until the news. Yeah, and not do anything. It's going to just sit here. Just like that. 116 likes. Thank you so much, everybody. We are back to above 300 viewers. You guys are amazing. If, by the way, here comes a shameless plug right now. If you would like to support the channel, I do appreciate it if you would. You see all these prop firm names up there in the banner. Up there, the code is the same everywhere if you would like to support the stream. And if you're grabbing some evaluation accounts or even instant funded accounts, please use the code TOMSABO. It does help really a lot. I'm partnered up with FundedNext as well. So I'm going to have giveaways from FundedNext, just like from Alpha Futures. They are kind of new in my portfolio, but we have good sales going on at the other ones as well. Check out Lucid, MyFundedFutures, TRADEDAY, obviously super solid. Funded Futures Network, Apex has the 90% sale currently. So choose your destiny, right? Unfortunately, they cut my Take Profit Trader code for no reason. I don't know why. But anyway, thank you for the support. Arav Dingra, thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, it's NFP week. It's NFP. Yeah. In trade, Chappy, you end up becoming liquidity. Exactly, Armands, exactly. You're going to become liquidity, and especially as we're getting closer to the news. This is what's going to happen. And we're getting chopped up. Or we could be chopped up, but we're not going to overtrade. Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. Do I want to sacrifice that $90 of profit again? It's going to go down to 151. I'm telling you guys, it's going to go down to 151. Dude. You haven't seen this, all right? This didn't happen. This is not happening, all right? It's not even there. Pretend you didn't see anything. Okay, just saying. Daniel Sweats. Hello. Thank you for joining. Eyes closed, everyone. Pretend this is not even there. All right? That's not even there. Also pretend that I'm not going to add 1 micro to this position. And this is going to be the final trade on this account. Even if I lose this one, I should be ending up about break even. So just fooling around with these small profits on this particular account. Yeah, we're going to have ADP. Oh, yeah, we're going to have ADP. Wow, we love that. So please drop down. Oh my God, I shouldn't have done this. I forgot that we have ADP. No, actually I didn't, because it's right here. Going down to 120. Let's see. Oh, it's the ADP is the change in the number of employed people, but excluding the farming industry, and I think government. Yeah, trade continuation. All right, guys, it's not gonna drop. It's not gonna waterfall down. It's not waterfalling down. All right, closing it. That's it. We're done. I don't care. We're done. We're just gonna observe. I thought that this is just gonna waterfall down to 151. No, thank you. It's not. We're out. No bueno. No bueno. But nevertheless, 151, I think, is pretty much gonna get taken. Just watch it. Watch 151. How is it gonna get tagged? You know, at least let's have the moral victory. All right, let's have the moral victory. So please, NQ, now that I took off the trade, please go down to 151, because, you know, That would be just great. I want to have the moral victory of this. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Almost down there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hmm. Mhm. 151. I'm telling you, 151. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing it, Trading Star. I'm not gonna do anything. No, I'm just I'm just waiting for the fact that I can say, like, I'm waiting for the for my time to say I told you so. I told you 151. Pit Drunk saying 400. I believe you. But before that, let's stack 151. Here are my hands. I'm not pushing the mouse button. I'm gonna keep my hands here. I'm not pushing any button. No buttons being pushed. 40 seconds. Here are my hands. I'm not pushing it. I'm not pushing. I'm not pushing anything. Hands off. 20 seconds to go. 151 is gonna get taken. Oh my gosh, Fresh Delgado giveaway Thursday London again sponsor. Oh wow. Fresh Delgado, man. Fresh, we talked about you yesterday in My Funded TV, by the way. So here's the news. Okay. Okay. Let's see the numbers. Thank you, by the way, Fresh Delgado, in the name of the community. But yesterday, I talked about you at My Funded TV. So the number is pending. Still don't have the number. What is the number? Yes, I talked about you at My Funded TV yesterday. Like how much profit you made on your account. Yes, it's on My Funded TV, but I don't know which minute was it, because we were talking about. I didn't name you specifically, but I brought you up as an example that I have someone in my community who actually shared the screenshot that you were making $41,000 on one single account. So yeah, here you go. Change employed people, better than expected. Not as good as last month, but better than expected. So numbers are kind of positive. Okay, so we have core retail sales next. Yeah, that's a good number. Yeah, Rio, that's a good number. That's a good number. This is why the market should dip. But yeah, that's relatively a good number. I told you, 151. It's gonna happen. This is gonna be my new thing. If you ask me why, it's because there's a zone there. There's a demand zone at 151. That's a demand zone. Oh my gosh, Fresh Delgado, 70K? Jesus, holy Christ. Fresh Delgado, are you on the leaderboard by any chance? At my fund, because we can talk about you on the leaderboard. So here's the leaderboard. Which one is you? I mean, just because, you know, it would be awesome to talk about you. 70K, Jesus. Maybe it's yesterday's data here. I'm not sure. That is amazing, man. That is amazing. Yesterday I was like, you're the 6th? Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ. Here's Fresh Delgado right there. I'm basically way down there. I'm way down there. Oh my god, dude. How? This is a pro account, right? Fresh Delgado. That's a pro account. Wow. That's amazing. I'm gonna talk about you on my funded TV today for sure. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna talk about you because we used to talk about the leaderboard, and I'm gonna tell everybody that you're sitting at 71K as of now. Oh my gosh, amazing result. Win ratio is 42%, which means I'm guessing you are going for a higher risk to reward. I'm gonna remind myself with a sticky note to talk about you. That's amazing, man. Fresh Delgado, thank you. Amazing, amazing. So, you know, by the way, Fresh Delgado, if you would like to share like a screenshot, you don't have to, by the way, you definitely don't have to. But if you would like to share a screenshot of your dashboard, like trading journal, like what kind of days did you have, or some data, obviously it's not going to be shown your name, or you can cut it out or whatever. We can share it on the stream and just dig into the data, like how you are trading. You don't have to, but it's like amazing to talk with you guys who are on the leaderboard. That is really good. That is really good. Look at that, 151, almost there. Use breakouts and I eat supply and demand zones up. They meant to be broken. Really? That is so amazing. Guys. I hate to say it, but I told you so. 151 demand zone has been taken. Mic drop. And I'm gonna drink some whiskey or something about the FOMO. I'm gonna screenshot this. I'm actually going to screenshot this. I mean, not the comment from Fresh Delgado. I'm saving this. Good job, man, by the way. Great job. Look at this drop. Oh my gosh. The FOMO is real. Exactly. Oh, Fresh Delgado, thank you. You sent a message. Amazing, amazing. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Fresh Delgado, can I share this later during the MyFunded TV stream? I don't know if I can, by the way, so I still have to ask the crew if I can share something like this. But look at that. One trade. 5 minis. It's 5 minis, right? Oh my god. Yeah. It's possible for everyone. I'm not here to flex anyway. Just being with Tom. Yeah, by the way, Fresh Delgado, you are here since forever, I think. I do remember. It's amazing. Did that last night, she said. No, not you, Fresh Delgado. It's me. There's nothing wrong to share screenshots like this. I just have to ask legal team if we can post something like this. It's not about you, Fresh Delgado. It's definitely, it doesn't have to do anything about you, because there's nothing here about your data. So there's no data here about your credentials or whatever. So it's just the trade itself. So we're not sharing any personal information. Yeah. I mean, Fresh Delgado is, I mean, how long the trade lasted for? I think this is the 5 minutes. So it lasted for a couple of, maybe 20 minutes. It looks amazing. April Fool, I don't know. I don't think so, because Fresh Delgado is here, number 6. He's number 6 on the leaderboard. Just saying, guys. So Fresh Delgado is here and number 6 on the leaderboard. We Tom representatives, yeah. Thank you, by the way, again, for sharing all this info. It's AI, says Billy Benz. I don't think it's AI, man. That's really good trading there. Adam, what's up? Good to see you, Adam. Guys, I can't top this. You know, Fresh Delgado actually is like, I mean, can you do anything better than that kind of trade? That's amazing. I'm not having issues because I'm logged into NinjaTrader or through NinjaTrader. So far, I'm okay. But TradeAway is having issues across the board. So, is that his live personal account holding from yesterday? Because today, his entry is 535. I don't know. I haven't really checked the entry. Hey Claudio, I can check it, but I see nothing. There, his entry is 535. I think it's from yesterday, because yesterday he was running up, right? So you were running up this with a huge trade. I remember we were talking about something like this. You were running up with a really big one. Not sure. Anyway, or was it? Yeah, I think it was. Or was it on Tuesday? I mean, it was Tuesday. But that was a huge trade. I remember we talked about this. Oh, I don't know. I make like 1,000 on a trade, then risk that to make more, but it takes balls and doing this forever. It was yesterday. Okay. Okay. Amazing, amazing Fresh Delgado. Really, it's amazing. Everybody, I think I'm going to sign off here, all right, because I'm not going to take another trade. We hit perfectly the zone here at 151, so that was a good one. Yeah, down to 120. You were absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, K-Trades. GG's everybody. See you guys later, and I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 30 minutes, so stay tuned, and I'll be back tomorrow in London and New York. So, you know, the show continues. The show must go on, you know. So we'll be back. Thank you for the support. If you would like to continue to support me, I would highly appreciate it if you use my code Policy and Profit. Hello there, welcome. So please use my code at Apex, Lucid, MyFundedFutures, TRADEIFY, Funded Futures Network, TRADEDAY. FUNDEDNEXT now is in the portfolio with Alpha Futures and Bulenox. Some great sales going on with the best available discount. Please use it. I do appreciate. Without the affiliate commissions, it would be definitely harder. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. I wish everybody to stay safe and God bless you all. We'll be at MyFunded TV with Terry Trades. All right. See you guys later. God bless.